To be doing some stupid science, and right now I'm doing this on Wednesday, but I'm going to upload this tomorrow. And here today, we're going to be taking apart another device. Now, I think it was 2 weeks ago, I had an old tablet. I took it apart. I got burnt by battery acid and shit like that, or whatever the heck it was. I can't tell. But right now, we're going to be opening this bastard. This is a phone. I remember I found this on the 5th grade playground in 3rd grade. 3rd grade. That was in like 2013. And this is a freaking old phone. The charger whole thingy is broke. The thingy is broke. Maybe I can recover the card from it. Because I remember when I found it, it was a girl's phone. I can tell. Because, dang. Because, some crap. And the most exciting part, this is a lithium-ion battery, which is beast, which means I can get more lithium. There's one issue. I'm going to short this thing out, probably. Oh, I almost stabbed myself. Okay. Oh, that's not so bad. That's a lithium-ion battery? My question is, how do I open it? That's a discussion for a later topic. Okay. Cover some stuff. Open up. Just gonna try to get into the face, the screen. I don't have my better narrow screwdriver. God damn it. Can't get this. I think I have an idea. Fit this into here. Genius. Hold on. Let me close the blinds. Just a wee bit. There we go. I'll have an excuse for my dad or something. Shit. There we go. Maybe it's better to see. Probably not. Then we want to take this, wedge it in between there, start prying this bastard apart. Oh god. This is actually going to take a long time. I'm really going to have to do using a GoPro when I'm doing this stuff. Because it's just, ugh, quality. I mean, you guys can be honest, but I realize it too. I think I took the battery out. I would have already shorted it out by now, probably. I have a feeling this is going to get really messy. That's what she said. Yeah, I'm trying to pry that apart right there. Holy shit, got a crack. Let me reopen the blind. Sorry, I'm being picky. But, now let's just shove this away. Battery and crap. Pry this fucker apart. Okay, we're almost in. Okay. Oh, I'm really destroying this. Oh shit. I've almost stabbed myself a lot. Okay, here we go. Ow. I just cut myself. Technical difficulties, please stand by. Just kidding. Oh god. Frick is that? I think there's some gold on that, I think. Wherever the frick that is. Let's try not to cut myself. I've already destroyed this. I know there's some aluminum. Because in my tablet, I found a huge sheet of aluminum. Well, not huge, but like, it was basically the size of the whole screen. Yeah, there's some aluminum right there. I'm bleeding. Like crap. Okay. I really do not know the anatomy of a phone. Just being honest. But I'm going to try to pry this off. I'm not going to use any wire cutters because, well, I don't have any wire cutters. My question is there an SD card? Holy crap, that thing is sharp. Oh, God. Crap. Oh, God. I might give this scrap aluminum to my dad. I just got blood all over that. Right there. Yeah, maybe I should be a little bit more careful. God. I'm bleeding. Okay, I'm trying to figure out what I should do with this, since it's going to be a pain. Back in the day when kids still had flip phones in 5th grade. That was a long time ago. 3 flipping years ago. No iPhone. Success. Okay. This is hard. Well, I'm going to have to make a part 2 to this video. Hope you guys enjoyed.